6 months from today,
May itatry akong gawin na hindi ko pa nagawa before.
I will be running for 42 kilometers straight. And today, I want to tell you why I'm running my first marathon. I started running noong 2012 pa kasi sobrang taba ako talaga. My longest run back then was 16 kilometers and I was forced to stop because in one of my basketball games, I tore my ACL. I found my way back into running pagkatapos ng pandemic after I got a really bad strain of the Delta virus of COVID. Pero this time, it felt different. Hindi na lang siya para pumayat. For some reason, I found running to be peaceful and serene and therapeutic. Tapos alam mo yung feeling na you just want to push yourself further and further every year.
Ang daming reasons why I decided to run the TBR Marathon. Pero if I have to choose one, gusto ko kasing patunayan na despite all the challenges, pag ginusto, kakayanin. Running for me is hindi na lang siya basta-bastang exercise eh. It's an avenue for growth, it's an avenue for discipline, and it's also my therapy. When I'm sad, I run. When I'm angry, I run. When I'm stressed, I run. When I'm doubting myself, I always tell myself, naka 21K nga ako eh. Naka 10K nga ako eh. Naka 5K nga ako eh. Kaya yan, di ba? Most of all, this TBR Marathon is for this guy. To this guy who thought that dito posible. To this guy na never na-imagine na tatakbo siya ng ganito kalayo. But at the very least, he will try. Sa totoo lang, natatakot din talaga ako eh. Ito kasi yung pinakamalayong tatakbuhin ko, if ever. Yung 21K ko nung Lazada run, nilakad ko yung last 4 kilometers kasi inatake ako ng injury. Paano pa kaya yung 42 kilometers? Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses ko nang sinabi na ayoko nang tumakbo. Pagod na ako, masakit na masyado. Quit na lang ako. Pero pag may masmasan na ako, parang may isip ko bigla na maybe that's the point. If it was easy, everybody would do it. Maybe that's what makes it worth it. February 15, 2026 is the day. It's the day of the Bull Runner Marathon. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kabilis or kabagal kung tatakbuhin yung buong 42 kilometers. Or kung ilang beses kung gugustuhin tumigil na lang. Pero alam ko that I will give my all to cross that finish line. And when that happens, alam ko na sobrang matutuwa ako because I became a better person compared to yesterday. If you've ever dreamed of doing something big or doing something scary, eto na ang sign mo, idol. I'll be posting weekly videos every Sunday until TBR Day. Follow me on my journey. And malay nyo, baka ma-inspire din kayo to create your own. Okay guys, what's your why? I'm genuinely interested. So comment down below, kwentuhan tayo guys.